Even though it's nearing replacement, the Ford Ranger is still a massively capable truck. Its successor is set to arrive in 2023, but, until then, the current generation will soldier on. Roush Performance has created a rather fitting send-off for the Ranger, offering a comprehensive update for the popular truck. While not as extreme as other offerings such as the Roush F-150, the tuning company has added a host of styling and suspension upgrades to the mid-size pickup, lending it more aggression and off-road ability. Based on the XLT trim level with the 301A or 302A equipment package, the 2022 Roush Ranger is powered by the stock 2.3-liter EcoBoost, with 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. However, a new catback exhaust is said to unlock 6 whole horsepower and 8 pound-feet, or more than $2,200 per horsepower. Thankfully, the upgrade is about more than just power. Aesthetic enhancements come courtesy of a Roush grille with dual LED light bars, fender flares painted in magnetic gray, with integrated lighting, and badging on the fender vents, among other touches. Customers can choose from 9 colors, including a new shade called Hot Pepper Red Metallic. Additionally, graphic upgrades are also available. Lastly, a set of satin black painted 18-inch wheels, wrapped in rugged 32-inch all-terrain tires, finish everything off nicely. The chunky rubber isn't just attractive to look at. It serves a functional purpose too. Working together with the company's performance suspension system, the Ranger proves even more competent off the beaten track. An off-road utility kit is available. The Ranger has always had one of the better cabins in its segment, but that hasn't stopped Roush from making several improvements. Premium leather upholstery, a Roush gauge cluster, and interior badging set the truck apart from lesser versions. Even the Ford key fob is issued in favor of a Roush item. Lastly, branded floor liners ensure the leather-lined cockpit never gets too muddy. While performance figures haven't been vastly enhanced, a performance pack with an enhanced cold air intake, exhaust, and tune will be made available at a later date for the power-hungry trucker. As it stands, $13,250 is a big ask for a marginal power increase, although the suspension enhancements may be worth their weight in gold. The Ranger XLT starts at $29,550 in base supercab form. If you're in the market for a unique Ranger, and have the wherewithal, it's appealing. But, otherwise, you may just want to wait for the upcoming Ranger